Get ready to ride the future. Today we unbox and install your all-new EXELmoto E2R. Let's unbox. Cut the straps. Open the box. Remove accessory boxes and front tire. Keep them aside separately. Let's check what's inside the accessory box. Pedals, keys, user manual, charger and tools. Get someone to lift the cycle out. Now, enjoy removing all the protective wrapping from your e-cycle. Let's set up the handlebar using a 5mm Allen key. Remove the handlebar clamp from the stem. Mount the handlebar onto the stem and tighten the bolts diagonally to ensure balanced pressure on both sides. Next up, the front wheel. Insert the wheel between the forks. Align the disc rotor with the brake caliper. Ensure the washer hook locks in place. Tighten the nuts and lock the quick release lever to secure the front wheel. Now, let's attach the pedals. The pedals are marked left and right. Follow the marking carefully. The right pedal tightens clockwise. The left pedal tightens anti-clockwise. Finish by tightening it with the 5mm Allen key from your toolkit. Plug in the charger and charge your battery before your first ride. Mount the battery by sliding it into place and locking it with the key. Now, let's set up the display passcode. The default passcode is 1234. Press plus and minus together to enter the settings. The setting passcode is the same as the power on passcode, then scroll to P04. Set your own passcode and confirm. Press plus and minus together to exit your passcode setting. Now, every time you power on, your ride stays protected with your unique code. And that's it. Your EXELmoto E2R is ready to ride. Power on, enter your passcode and begin your first electrifying journey.